My breaker keeps tripping and the stove plug doesn't work. How much is my check even going to be this week?
Diagnostics, and repairs, they just all
My
add up.
GFCI stopped working.
Suddenly, all the lights started flashing.
I really
And
need a
won't stop.
licensed electrician
I wish
now.
I knew an electrician I could call now.
I don't think you have enough time to hear about our
Please.
membership.
I think I may need it seriously, now.
Who said that? Electrical membership subscription includes access multiple home services contractors, plumbing, carpentry, masonry, roofing, and more. Service fee waived, $129.99 value. 30 minutes free diagnostics, $134.99 value 1 hour. 10% off parts. 10% off labor. Free estimates, free. Free pre-assessed diagnostic, $44.99 value. 14-day instant warranty and consultation. Priority scheduling. 1/2 off emergency request during closed days and hours, $199.99, half equals a $99.99 saved value except holiday service fee at $224.99, half equals a $112.99 saved value. Payment plans for members who qualify. You get a $421.91 saved value in every service request the duration of your subscription. That's unlimited service requests and 30-minute free diagnostics covered with every call. Please call 314-666-9700 with any comments, questions, or concerns.